Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing several quick and simple home decor DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
They said that just one look and I'd get caught too, 'cause there's something about you.
For the first DIY, I just started off by removing the cardboard to all the 3 frames.
All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent.
Next up, I'm going to be adding 5 wood beads on each side of the frame.
Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too, 'cause we are meant to be. We are.
Now I'm just adding some hot glue on top of the wood bead so I could be able to place the second frame on top. I'm going to be adding the wood beads on the second frame as well.
Some obsess about things, some turn use into abuse, and don't stop until it's too late. But all I do is love you. Maybe someday you will too. 'Cause
Now I'm removing the paper that has the unicorn since I'm going to be using it for the bottom of the planter. Now I'm going to spray paint it and I'm using the color Warm Caramel. Once the spray paint was done drying, I decided to add some ivory chalk paint to just give it a little bit more detail.
You've heard that all I do is obsess about you. But if only you could see that we are meant to be. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely.
I'm using a sand block so I could blend the ivory and the brown.
Close the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but
Now I'm going to fill it up with some greenery I had around the house.
I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing. It should have been you. Another time, another place. I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
For the second DIY, I'm going to be using the sign that I got from the Dollar Tree, and to cover the letterings, I'm using a white spray paint. Once the spray paint was done drying, I'm going to be painting the sign with this silver metallic paint.
Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you.
I'm going to be adding some tape on the bottom of the glass containers so I could just paint them white to give it some detail. And once I'm done doing that, I'm also going to be adding some twine on top of the 3 mini glass containers.
You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Said you needed a break and left with no heads up. I was strong for your sake, but it made my heart drop. 'Cause it's always been you and I. Give me one more try. This is messing with my mind. Not gonna lie, but I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you.
For the third DIY, it was super simple, yet I loved how it ended up looking. I just started off by spray painting this tray that I got from Dollar Tree with some silver metallic spray paint, and I let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes.
It is not just one mistake that made you think about.
Now I'm going to be adding some stones I got from Dollar Tree.
Until we die, but I'll give you the space so you can figure this out. I've been losing sleep and it won't get better. I can't get my mind off of you. Days go by and I can't help but wonder if you think about me too. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting. I really hate being away from you. Don't you just hate it, being away from someone you just wanna hold on to? It's driving me crazy, tired of waiting.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, it would mean so much to me if you click the subscribe button. That way you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Also, comment down below which one was your favorite. I would love to know. And with all of that said, I hope y'all stay safe and God bless.
Said you needed a break and left with no heads up.